It's been steady to higher for prices of base metals here on the floor of the London Metal Exchange as we start a fresh week, although business levels, it has to be said, are fairly routine, fairly low key. Looking at the metals, copper slipped either side of $6,700 a tonne. It's above that level at the moment, so it's steadier on the day. Aluminium prices there got above $2,050 a tonne at one point, highest for nearly 2 months. Slipped back a little since then, but broadly steady on the day, and a similar pattern being seen in the rest of the base metals. Earlier today, the Chinese HSBC final manufacturing PMI data came out. As expected, 50.4 hasn't really had too much of an impact on the markets. For the rest of the day, it looks like being a fairly slow session, fairly quiet, although this is the build-up to what is actually going to be a fairly active week for macro and monetary policy announcements. In the middle of the week, the US employment data starts. That gears up to Friday's non-farm payrolls report for last month, for October. On Thursday, also, there are monetary policy meetings from the European Central Bank and the Bank of England. So it's gearing up to be a fairly lively midweek to the end of the week onwards. For today, it looks like consolidation to slightly higher. This is Martin Hayes of FastMarkets on the floor of the LME.